Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add associate discount card to the Walmart app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and add the associate discount card to the Walmart app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to the Walmart app. Then click on account on the bottom right hand corner. Next, click on the gear icon on the upper right hand corner, and then go ahead and click on where it says wallet towards the middle. Now from here, go ahead and scroll all the way down to where you see associate discount. So click on associate discount, and then what will essentially happen is that it's going to open up this page here where you can go ahead and enter your associate card number and your Walmart identification number. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and add your associate discount card to the Walmart app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.